At Campbell Mechanical Services, we keep commercial buildings and systems running efficiently. Watch this video for information on optimizing your HVAC, plumbing, and mechanical systems.
Hey Lumpy, I've been working with several facility managers who understand they need a preventive maintenance program, but they're struggling to determine which program best fits their needs. Can you walk me through how to approach this with them?
Absolutely, Wayne. The key is understanding that preventative maintenance isn't a one-size-fits-all. It's really about matching the program to the facility risk profile. For instance, a manufacturing facility with mission-critical process has a very different risk tolerance than a standard office building.
That's interesting. How do we qualify that risk?
We actually do a financial analysis that evaluates several critical factors. We look at things like the cost of downtime per hour, the age and condition of current equipment, the complexity of the building automation system, and whether the facility has a redundant system in place. Research shows that facilities with high risk profile can face losses up to $260,000 per hour of downtime.
That's substantial. Can you break down how these different risk profiles map to our maintenance program to better serve them?
Let's start with the Customized Professional Maintenance Program, or CPM. This quarterly service is ideal for facilities with moderate risk tolerance and stable operations. Through regular testing and inspection, we typically achieve a 15 to 20% reduction in unexpected repairs and a 10 to 15% improvement in energy efficiencies.
What about facilities with more complex needs?
That is where one of our guaranteed programs comes in, a GPM. These programs are for facilities with critical operations, think healthcare and/or manufacturing. This program provides comprehensive coverage. This is a fixed cost solution perfect for facilities that need predictable budgeting. Our guaranteed plans are valuable for facilities where unexpected capital expenses could disrupt operations. We're so confident in our expertise that we guarantee the performance of both equipment and components. Data shows this reduces total life cycle costs by 25 to 30% compared to reactive maintenance strategies.
That's huge. How do we help clients determine which program is right for them?
That's a great question, Wayne. Since we view all our maintenance customers as partnerships, it is extremely important that we have open and honest communications throughout the process. The first step is to discover the right maintenance plan for your facility is having a concept meeting. We are going to discuss challenges, trends, life cycle costs, operating strategies, and discuss your current operating strategies. After this, we are going to come back to your facility and do an assessment of your HVAC equipment. Step 3. This is one of the most important steps in customizing a plan. We are going to review the equipment we discussed during the survey and confirm our list is accurate. We are also going to do a financial analysis and see which plan makes the most financial sense for your company while also taking into consideration the mission-critical equipment and the headaches that some of the equipment may be causing you. This is really the meeting where we co-author a maintenance solution with our clients.
What would you say is the most common mistake that is made selecting a maintenance program?
Understanding risk exposure. Many facilities focus solely on immediate costs rather than considering the total cost of ownership and risk. A recent study showed that properly matched preventative maintenance programs deliver an average ROI, return on investment, of 545% over equipment lifetime. When you factor in energy savings, extended equipment life, and avoided downtimes. To discover which preventative maintenance program best matches your facility's risk profile, reach out to your Campbell Solutions provider. Thank you for joining us, and we will see you next time on Coffee with Campbell.
Whether it's a quick question or a challenge you need help solving, give your Campbell rep a call today.